Hey guys, this is Miss Scaniff. I miss you all so much, so I have prepared some Read Aloud videos about our Parts of Plants books. These would be some great books for you to practice reading aloud. If you want, you can pause the video each time the page turns and try to read it out loud for yourself. If you just want to listen and read along, I would love that too. This book is all about seeds by Claire Throp. What are plants? Plants are living things. Can you think of any plants that you know of? One of my favorite plants is a palm tree. These are some of the parts of a plant. There is the flower, the stem, the leaf, the root, and the seed. Plants have many parts. What do plants need to grow? Plants need sunlight and air to grow. What else does a plant need to grow? If you said water, you're right. Plants also need water to grow. Can you think of anything else that a plant might need to grow? One thing I can think of is soil. Do you agree? What are seeds? A seed is one part of a plant. Flowers make seeds. What do you think seeds do? New plants grow from seeds. How cool is that? There are different kinds of seeds. See if you can identify any of the seeds or plants that you see. Some plants have lots of small seeds. Some plants have big seeds. Some seeds are round. Some seeds have wings. Have you ever thrown these types of seeds in the air? When I was your age, I sure did, and we used to call these kinds of seeds helicopters. Seeds need to spread out in order to grow new plants. Some birds eat seeds. These birds drop seeds in new places. The wind blows some seeds through the air. The seeds land far away from the old plant. Have you ever blown a dandelion before? If you have, then you helped it spread its seeds so it could grow even more dandelions. Some seeds burst out of pods. Some seeds hook onto animals' fur. Animals carry seeds to new places. Have you ever gotten these stickers on the bottom of your pants or shoes when you go in the woods? If you picked them off when you were outside, then you probably helped those seeds find somewhere new to grow. How seeds grow? Seeds usually grow in the ground. They grow roots. Seeds grow into new plants. The new plants make new seeds. Thank you for listening so much, and thanks for reading along with me. You guys keep working hard, and I'll see you soon, okay?